Hey folks, it's Mark with Artisan Restoration, and we've got a project here. This is a solid log home with about 8-inch D logs, 8-inch thick, and then the garage over there was built using 6-inch log siding. And anyhow, we can look at that later. Right now, my concern is that the decay is actually a lot deeper than what we thought it was, and we've got to get some epoxy here to address these really deep pockets. This one here is a good 4 inches deep, and this one here is also at least 4 inches. You can see this was put together with big spikes, and when they put the logs together, let's see if we can see them. They use these splines in here to help seal out the moisture and air, but obviously you could see it didn't do a good job of sealing out the moisture, so it probably didn't do much with the air either. This is some material that was installed between the logs to begin with, and it's not water resistant. So when water gets into a material like this, it holds it in place against the logs, and well, that's not a good situation because that leads to the rot and the decay. So anyhow, we're going to be ordering some more logs and getting some epoxy so we can fill in these deep cavities. And then we're going to do a little flashing right here where we switch from solid log construction to siding down here. And I think we're going to cover it with ice and water seal to get a good moisture barrier in there. So anyhow, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next job.